it'd be great. This one here is the second to the last newest mower we got here, or third, and we're using it. It runs really good. The only thing is well, one, it's kind of small. My dad got it for free because he said he couldn't get the run. Find out these dumb people get rid of these things, but right here, the weld came loose, and see how loose that is? Over on its top. And right here, see how it just wobbles? You see that? Yeah, so if you're pulling it, it's okay, but pushing it, the blade's going to hit the body, and that's not good. But mowers are alright. You know, it doesn't really matter. As long as you get them for cheap. Then here's this one. I'm pretty sure I had a video on before. It's a master cut, 21 inch, Briggs Stratton, probably 3.5 horse. Don't know what year it is. Probably 89 or something like that. Bag's out for my design. But I like this this style of, you know, body. This is just like the other one I showed that was all torn apart, you know. But let's see if it starts up. Put in choke, but no primer, it's just choke. But I'd scored this one out of the dumpster. Whoops. Blade clutch. That needs to be just moved up a little bit. I'll set the camera right here on this rock. Well, there you go. You know it works. And that's a very good one. It's been taken care of. It's got stickers from Salem and Springfield and places where it got worked up on. Very good. And here's this one. Low and slow. And wet. Sticky when wet. This is the one we've been using before the Honda and our new Toro. Front wheel drive, train one, cross into a convertible, Briggs Stratton 5 horse, I believe. Oh man, there we go. Throttle. Let's prime it and see if it starts. This one, the only problem was, one, it's slow. Two, let's see, two, it might not pull the first pull, and three, sometimes your lever will pop out and you'll have one wheel set all the way up and one in the right spot. But that was a good one. It was only, I think, $25. I did a review on it. Oh yeah! So you know it runs. Pretty slow, but you know it works. It's got pretty good traction for front wheel drive, and it will crawl up anything as long as you keep the weight in the front. Oh, and it's got that awesome bag, so you can really fill it up, and yeah, dustless too. It's pretty good, but sometimes it was lucky the first pull there. I was amazed, but sometimes you have to pull it like 5 times in order to start it. That's why we have this wire right here, so I can have it rigged up so it, you know, stays running. I can change the bag and not have to pull it 30 times to get it going. Hey, look at that, a 40 clover. Let's do a little bit of a animal update. How's the cows are doing? Moo! Don't look at the camera. I don't even zoomed in. I'm really got that close. There's cow 2. We don't really have names. Yes, and there's the puppy. There's Scarlet. Ah! And then we've got some pigs over here. Brian, you see the pigs? So you've got Carl, McDonald, Bacon, and Jim Gaffigan. Why not? Hey, piggy! Whoa, whoa. Watch out! Don't lick their poop. What's wrong with you? Okay, we're out of here. Come on. Watch out. Yep. Get off me. Alright, the last lawnmower. Brake clutch thing quit working right. So every time we pulled this back, it wouldn't start. It wasn't going to spark. We had to pull that back and then kick this down. That's why there's a wire right there holding it in. Then I was mowing one day and I hit a, what do you call it, a ratchet chain chain hoist thing, whatever it's called, and banged up the crank, and that sucks. This was a nice mower. Good bag, side discharge, 6 horse, Briggs and Stratton, had gas in it. It'll probably start right up. So it still turns over perfectly fine. And that was the last one. Enjoy.